Sleep, the gentle healer of our weary souls, often overlooked in the hustle and bustle of daily life. It's the quiet sanctuary where dreams weave through our minds, restoring our spirits. Yet, how often do we truly understand its profound importance? Sleep isn't just a time when our bodies rest. It's a crucial period for our brains to process information, for our cells to repair, and for our emotions to stabilize. Without it, we drift through life, shadows of our true selves. It's in sleep that we find the strength to face each new day with clarity and vigor. The amount of sleep we need varies from person to person. On average, adults require 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to function optimally. Children and teenagers need even more. It's important to listen to our bodies and give them the rest they deserve. After all, a well-rested mind and body are the foundations of a fulfilling life. Sleep. That elusive yet essential part of our lives. To drift into a peaceful slumber, there are a few tips that can help. First, try to maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day can regulate your body's internal clock. Also, create a restful environment. Make sure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet. Avoiding screens before bedtime can also make a big difference. And lastly, consider a relaxing pre-sleep routine, like reading a book or taking a warm bath. Sweet dreams await. And so, we come to the end of our journey. Remember, the path to better sleep is a personal one, filled with trial and error. But with patience and persistence, restful nights are within reach. Thank you for joining us, and may you find the peace and rest you deserve.